chicken drumstick. Put a cut in the middle. One tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds powder. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon salt. A half teaspoon allspice powder. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon paprika powder. 2 tablespoon lemon juice. A 1/3 cup yogurt. Marinate well. Marinate for 2 hours. After 2 hours, a 1/3 cup dairy cream. Marinate well. Two tablespoon cooking oil. Add marinated chicken. Add leftover marination mixture. Cover and cook on low flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, change the side of drumstick. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add coal. Pour cooking oil on coal. Smoke for 1 minute.